Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah says Manipur is the right place for cultural university. Chief Minister Ibobi asserts violence can achieve nothing. Cowards believe in violence. Christian leaders appeal to UNC to end indefinite economic blockade in the interest of the people. United Committee Manipur to hold public discussion on UNC's economic blockade on December 9. And BJP MLA Joy Kishan urges bureaucrats to discharge their duties religiously. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has stated that Manipur is the right place for culture university. She observed that art and music are in the blood of Manipuris. The governor also promised to contribute all she can for the promotion of art and culture in the state. She was speaking at the reception organized by Indian Society for Cultural Cooperation and Friendship ISCUF, Manipur State Council and Art and Cultural Department, Manipur, for her at Maharaj Chandrakirti Auditorium, Palace Compound. Dr. Najma Heptullah said Manipur is very developed in the field of art and culture. She stated that she is proud to be the governor of the state and that within a short period of time, she feels she is a part of the state. As a part of the event, various cultural groups and artists gave performances. The event was also attended by Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Professor N. Khagendra, Vivek Alva of Alva Education Foundation, Karnataka, and Surnimal Sarkar, Visiting Professor of Arizona University, USA.
I'm really very happy to be here and I will do everything possible as a governor to help you, your academy, to the university, the culture university. No wonder Manipur is the right place to have a cultural university. It is the only university in the entire country that we have in Manipur, and you have shown by your performance that how deeply the art and music in your blood.
The 22nd death anniversary of former Minister Moirangthem Ibotombi was observed today at Hairok. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi emphasized the need to do something good in one's lifetime for the betterment of future generations. He said, only cowards believe that by violence means they can achieve what they want. Ibobi maintained that violence will not bring any solution. He appealed to the people to strive to realize the dream for unity as dreamt by the late former Minister Moirangthem Ibotombi. The event was organized by Moirangthem Ibotombi Memorial Trust.
Matam khara khoina hingingai sleda tunggi mihorona sona hawudawa ahlaman singna nangna ngamjaba samaj leda leitum mamataw suhulu haina hainari basini aduna leiriba khoi punamak Manipur da leiriba Bharat da leiriba khoi punamak si mana apamba dharma chacha ningba chacha ba mana apamba custom tradition chaliba lei matam khara hingmina basleda kudingmak yamna nungsinana Chana Chinana Leminaba Matam Kari Himusda Karigino Ekoi Kudimachi Sukimati Yentina Gadoriba Hatnaba Sunaba Taugadoribasi Karigino.
In his speech, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam said people who have different religious beliefs do not support the economic blockade. He warned that those who set a trap for others will certainly fall into the pit they dug themselves. He stated that history proves that various communities lived together peacefully in Manipur since time immemorial. Gaikangam reiterated that the actions of a few groups of people will be a loss for all. He said the people should not fall a prey to a handful of people. Widows below 45 years were given financial assistance under Family Benefit Scheme, and about 700 elderly persons above 60 years were given old-age pension by the Moirangthem Ibotombi Memorial Trust at the event.
Masing iam jam de kujo mukta hai se batare nokhone tauri base mai pakloi mai thigani matam kattana ban loket to ba hai base prithvi ne koi tarakti dharma amatan masi yade chanabi kanglok ko no chanabi yade aduga custom amtan yade tradition man yade adugu miroi group khrana inchendana indefinite ban loket hai base tahidaba uhidaba tawhidaba thaba tawi adubu mado makhoi da tawjariba tawriba ko mado sosoi sore makhoi tadana sisekhe.
All Manipur Christian Organization and Tribal Church Leaders Forum have urged the United Committee Manipur UCM to reconsider its 72-hour ultimatum to the UNC to suspend the economic blockade in the interests of all communities living in the state. The two bodies also appealed to the UNC to immediately withdraw the economic blockade. It may be recalled that the United Committee Manipur had asked the UNC to withdraw its indefinite economic blockade by midnight of December 7th, otherwise the UCM will launch anti-economic blockade. President of All Manipur Christian Organization, Reverend Prim Vaifai, today told the media persons at Manipur Press Club that the people have suffered enough due to the 37-day-old economic blockade of the UNC. He said 5 representatives of church leaders yesterday met the representatives of UNC at Senapati and urged them to end the economic blockade. He said the UNC made it clear that the economic blockade is not against any particular community but protest against the government's failure to fulfill the memorandum of understanding.
Nimit kuntratre suraglaba masigi blockade sikhara lokthok pinanaba akoi request tawjaru bani makoi nasu akoi di kana amagi society community gi mioi singbu singnaraga atamnana Kanglup amabu atamnana makoi da wahan gi haduna pangthokpa economic blockade natte government da ekoi gi nungai tabadu dum phongduk chabani haduna su haire aduna ekoi gi appeal di asikumba awaba la abasu khudongcha da bala abasu aman amabu bear taunasi awaba do khangminaji.
President of United Committee Manipur UCM Elangbam Johnson has announced that a public meeting will be held on the 9th of this month at GM Hall to discuss about the ongoing economic blockade. Speaking to media persons at UCM office at Lamphel, Johnson stated further that UCM had given a 72-hour ultimatum to UNC to end the blockade. Although the deadline ends midnight tonight, UNC has not only kept mum on this issue but stated that the blockade will be intensified. Johnson said the public meeting, which will include many leaders from both the hills and the valley, will chalk out a detailed plan to end the blockade.
Miyamna numitu da piba akoigi direction adugi makhada akoi makhata na economic blockade asigi thengnanaba madugi lambi romda akoi changchanaba akoi lojagani akoigi tampak amasung akoigi akoibada leibiriba akoigi chingi chinauk puning phathana ingna chikna leibinaba haidana akoigi United Committee Manipur gi maikai masimasu appeal tawjari koi Manipur sarkar nasu akoigi hoji oriba akoigi situation asi loisannaba honnabagi mongda natabida akoigi chumna kumai dona yengba simaksu akoigi maikai su tasengna nuaijade ore kadoriba masigi fallout asi matam chana masi tackle tawdrakanda ore kadori phibam sing asi akoi sarkar nasu मसीगी दायित्व दु सरकार की मथक्ता लाकनी हाइबसी काउदब फै
Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress has expressed apprehension that there might be tension among different communities living in the state if the situation worsens due to the economic blockade. The party also drew the attention of the governor and urged her to intervene to resolve the problem. President of the party, Kim Gangte, today spoke to media at the party's office at Mahabali Hauke Wang. She asked why the UNC called for the economic blockade even before the announcement of formation of Sadar Hills district. She also questioned if the UNC will get their demand by imposing economic blockade. Kim Gangte voiced her concern at the silence of the government even when the people have launched counter-blockade. She said the Congress government should call for all political party to resolve the issue.
UNC gi president aduga mioi ama ani pharaga problem solve tawba yabadi natre habise koi ui adu oiradi the government must find out ways and means of lifting the blockade, national highway blockade asi maramdi ekoi people Manipur gi people hikta blockade asin hatok pa yabra government in place amalebani na government na to pomthok pasi chapchana to biro please reach out to whoever is responsible aduga even haizaning bade now I think the governor of Manipur must step into this intervene to batai.
Members of Maira Paibi organizations and clubs of Saijang in Imphal East today imposed counter-blockade against the UNC's economic blockade on Imphal-Ukhrul Road since early morning. They checked the vehicles coming from Imphal and pulled down food items from the vehicles. However, an additional force of Imphal East Police was sent to prevent them in the afternoon around 4. The Armed Forces Flag Day is celebrated all over India every year on December 7 to collect funds from people for the well-being of the staff of Indian Armed Forces. Colonel H. Sarat Singh, Secretary of Rajya Sainik Board, pinned the Armed Forces flag to Governor Dr. Najma A. Heptullah and staff of Raj Bhavan. BJP Legislature Party leader MLA K.H. Joy Kishan has warned that if BJP comes to power, the bureaucrats who are found to be involved in the wrongdoings of the government will be put behind bars. The MLA was speaking at the inauguration of a new office of BJP Thangmaiban Mandal at Lalambung. He also stated that the decision of the government to regularize 300 contract employees of JANIMS without conducting any DPC shows the misdeeds of the government. Joy Kishan said if the government approves this, BJP will request the governor to cancel the order. He also appealed to the IAS and MCS officers to not fall under the pressure of the government and perform their duties religiously. He mentioned that the chairman of Assam Public Service Commission has been recently put behind bars on charges of corruption. Joy Kishan further warned those people involved in recruitment scams and directors of all departments to be aware of the consequences. Many BJP members took part in the inaugural function.
बिहार में खबर को प्रशासन में से मस्जिद कांग्रेस ने बुरा ली और इलेक्शन की मतलब ना प्रजा को मकोई ने ले गई ने खाली मधुदा अपन को प्रजा खड़ा नहीं ठूकी वो चावल के मनुष्य तो मौत डाला कांग्रेस की प्रशासन का फोड़ का पोटा दो इंडिया की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का सिन्ना बा डेमोक्रेसी चुनाव वैसे और नहीं मकोई से टेररिस्ट ने लोगे अदुना कांग्रेस सरकार से टेररिस्ट गवर्नमेंट नहीं बिहार पुनः टेररिस्ट है आप भी नहीं मकोई जेल थमदनी BJP की सरकार एक लाख में दंदा इको भी गवर्नमेंट का पुराना से बम जिना तो पुटुपान बदलना मकोई दंदी फिरगा कैसे करते थमदनी.
An RTI activist has accused the Secretary of Village Watershed Management Committee, Huikap, of misappropriating funds. RTI activist Sorai Menjor today alleged that the whereabouts of the funds sanctioned under the Integrated Water Management Program to different self-help groups in Huikap in Andhra are not known. The funds were collected by the Secretary of Village Watershed Management Committee from the self-help groups to be deposited to the bank. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Manjor said the DRDA Imphal East and Village Watershed Management Committee has almost withdrawn most of the funds of the watershed management project under the Integrated Water Management Program, which was taken up by the Planning Department without completing the work. Soraise Manjor filed an RTI to the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. Under this project, about 20 self-help groups of Huikup are supposed to deposit money to the bank without any interest. Manjor said the Secretary of the Village Watershed Management Committee had collected the amount with interest from self-help groups but did not deposit them to the bank.
2015 da hangba adum laba beneficiary committee singi akoi account se masida moina single ko paisa se changadabani thadariba paisa ji complete ola matungda amuk logdojagadabani adamai togna rolling togna mogi self sustain oina ne bohana jagadaba se sigi wangmada self help group singina thigachariba paisa se ngasi bahunda changamdre hojik zero balance ni hojik lari se chakot thola model village mo oina ne bigidbo hona bada habadi adugi component amo na thadariba seman se moina lana semana togna kongai ma togo se masi praja amo oina adagi andro BJP mandan saite ki su masi ya janing da badagi hari wafam sing yakoi makata na sanghin jarakpani.
The foundation stone for the memorial of Thangcham Dujamani alias Nanau, correspondent of the Guwahati-based Primetime News, was laid today by MLA KH Joy Kishan. It may be mentioned that TH Dujamani of Thangmaiban Sinam Laikai was shot at by the police on December 23, 2012 while he was covering an incident. Members of All Manipur Working Journalist Union AMJU, volunteers of Naharo Laishemba Club NLC, Thangmaiban Sinam Laikai and attended the event. MLA Joy Kishan took the initiative to build the memorial.
Manipur Ipo Lonaba, Promotional Tautan, the Tawai Bokat Kraba, she Dijamni Elias Nanaugi, Magin Shinkobamase, Atu Bada Sharagani, Manipur, Miam Nasu, Asum Laba, All Manipur Working Journalists Union, Amading Laikai NLC Club, Na Hona Jaribasida, Aina Sano Mating, Pangshan Jabasida, Kanago Mamatana, yet P the Naba, Aduga, in the interest of the general public and in the interest of the media house. Masi atu badaloshan menaba punna manasu support pibina baidana ayang na medai khutang da thamjari.
AMJU President Wang Khemcha Shyamjai appreciated the initiative taken by the Thangmaiban MLA to erect a memorial in Thangcham Dujamani's memory.
Rajati Yawanati, Amagi Wanati, Adona Masidi Kuchira, Sarage, Hana Kuchapsan Limba Badagi, Papa Masia Kuki, Sana Batang Lokusarpani, Tangmangi, Honorable MLA, Naro Simba Club, Legai, Maiben, Adigan Tungan Harun Sing, Adigi, Pudam Mai, Chilini, Mam, Libiragana, Pomiki, Tamutani had a Tonto Pirabasi, Yamno.
Sabi abagi possibility to Congress government asina nasibo wada tawbirak termina ekoi lamdam sigi lehaw da saujarakpa ekoi honorable MLA karigumba sarkar gi mayakti mafam sida kaigumba ayet apan patargadi madu request tawroi sabsana leikaina government siga thengnagani.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital, performing non-operative closure of hole in heart and RF ablation. Don't delay. Hurry for consultation with Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shamkishore for hole closure, RF ablation, coronary angioplasty requirement and other procedures like pacemaker, ICD, CRT, combo angiogram are also available. Hurry for advance booking to avoid disappointment. Free charge for BPL families.
Angels Coaching Center, Uripok Polem Laikai Imphal. Admission starts for Class 10 Revision and Class 1 to 10 Foundation. Our achievements: 11 position holders in 2013, 2014 and 2015, 20 position holders in 2016 including first positioner.
There is an unparalleled coaching center in Manipur. I see success at the coaching yard everybody.
Pauzen Zaba, North-East India Development Party asi iramda Manipur gi chakwa thorangi damakta hiram khuding da kathokpaga loinana apunbagi pangalama sagaliba political party amani NEIDP na lisani tara tarita pangthoka doriba taramanthoi suba Manipur Legislative Assembly mikhalda party asigi damakta miyagi mahut sinduna leibaki thodang lobinabagi damakta tampaki constituency nifumakta mirep oibiningba madik charabam di leibaki chana kanglon gi oina akaiba leiti haibigi khudam leibiba masa masagi constituency da miyagi support fanglaba miyoy sina paujada sipizari arepa apamba leibiba sina isagi biodata makada pizari basari yohon birakna kanganzari ba North-East India Development Party Sagolban Tera Lakrak Mumbai Imphal West. Admissions open. Temple of Learning School gi admission hauzare loinana school lasena chahi tarama pung farak pagi harau tayama phongdok paga iroinana Satra Satri Singh Ming Chanbada Kudong Chava Kayam Pizari Kudong Chava Singh asi akaknaba sit kharakakini Thuna Ming Chanbiyu Kudong Chava Singh si Mangan Biganu Akupa Marol Gidamak Temple of Learning Kanchipurda contact Tobiyu
Housing Manipur ke ayam school sing exam sing loina khrabani na adong ge ichai su sing dikari hona biri lamdam masi ke horok lebangang sing ge damakta Manipur ta ahan ba oina khongnang academy chingmai rong na sinduna lagliba December 15 dagi kunmathoi fawba mega winter camp ama masi complex kerau da pangthok lagani adong yangang sing internal quality amadi skill sing be expose to ngamna ba sinjari ba akhan na winter camp masi da soidana saru yahan biu camp masi da day camp amadi overnight camp haiduna package anisu thamjari so hurry contact now.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Admissions open. Greenwood School, Lalambung Makong, Rims Road. Admission is going on for classes pre-nursery to class 8. Special features, well-equipped classroom, library and audio and visuals, free computer classes, games and sports, dance and music, yoga. Admissions fees, monthly fees, textbooks and notebooks free for AY and BPL students. Transport facility. For more details, please contact Greenwood School, Lalambung Makong, Rims Road or contact 9862 284561.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. More than 500 vehicles carrying fuel and LPG cylinders and food and essential items left Ziribam for Imphal under tight security. These vehicles have crossed Awangkhol in Tamenglong district. The vehicles included 43 petrol tankers, 81 diesel tankers, 85 LPG bullet tankers, 10 AFT bullet and 1 truck carrying oxygen. CEO of the 1st MR is the escort commander. National General Secretary of Janata Dal United, Arun Kumar Srivastava has blamed both the state and central governments for the hardships faced by the people of Manipur. Speaking at the inauguration of a new office of the party at Hafiz Hatta, the JDU leader said demonetization and economic blockade have caused grievous inconveniences to the people. He alleged that the state government has also not taken any measures to end this problem. Arun Kumar Srivastava said even though many union ministers keep visiting Manipur, they have not shown any interest in solving the problem of economic blockade. He maintained that JDU supports the steps taken by the centre to curb black money and corruption, but it is not right to cause inconveniences to the poor people and those who do not have a bank account. Responding to a query by journalists on the number of JDU candidates contesting in the upcoming assembly elections, Arun Kumar Srivastava said the party leaders will discuss the same.
हालांकि मणिपुर में तो पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ब्लॉकेट का सिस्टम बन गया है। आज दो तरह का ब्लॉकेट है मणिपुर में, एक तो इकोनॉमिक ब्लॉकेट जो हमेशा होता है, दूसरा केंद्र सरकार ने डीमॉडर्नाइजेशन की वजह से भी एक अलग तरह का ब्लॉकेट पैदा कर दिया है। और वह केवल मणिपुर में ही नहीं पूरे देश में अपना पैसा निकालने के लिए बैंक में लाइन में खड़ी है। पूरा दिन लाइन में खड़ा होने के बाद भी 4 घंटा 5 घंटे बाद पैसा मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा इसकी भी गारंटी नहीं है। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने कुछ नहीं किया 10 साल 20 साल से कांग्रेस पार्टी ने कुछ नहीं किया। 2 साल से कांग्रेस बीजेपी आई है, उसने भी कुछ नहीं किया है। खाली उनके नेता आके यहाँ भाषण देके मणिपुर की जनता को चिढ़ाने का काम कर रहे हैं, काम नहीं कर रहे हैं।
Residents of Ningthaukhong Ward number 10, 12, 13 and 14 have termed the allegation by 9 BJP aspiring candidates of Bishnupur that the construction of a pond was done in one day as baseless. They stated that the construction of the pond lasted 44 days. The construction began on November 8, 2014 and concluded on December 20th the same year. They also said 4 localities contributed money for the construction of the pond and Minister Govindas Konthaujam helped in the construction with JCB. The locals appealed to the BJP members to not spread wrong information.
Solising aniga taramari ekoi November gi tang nipan dagi ekoi tau bhaujaraga December gi tang kunithoi pada ekoi loisin jabani haiba puki si asigumba ekoi tauiba puki asibu ekoi BJP Bishnupur Mandanda ekoi Bishnupur Kendra da standing candidate on leibiri ba mihoi mapanna puki taudi haina ekoi haukiba December gi tang tarukta nuti gi pause phongdorok pasila laiba thiba mani asigumba si ekoi lawad asigi praja singna yamna awangba thakta condemn tawi.
A torch rally was carried out by more than 3,000 people of Ningthaukhong on the night of December 6. The rally was organized by Ningthaukhong Block Congress Committee against the shouting of slogans using unparliamentary language by BJP workers during a rally at the gate of Minister Govindas Konthaujam. A BJP booth-level Karyakarta Sammelan was held today at the residence of Dr. Nimai Chan Luang in Yairipog, Yambem by Andhra BJP Mandal. General Secretary Organization of BJP Arunachal Pradesh, Ramesh Gurung, former State President of BJP Shanti Kumar Sharma and several BJP workers attended the Sammelan. Pension was distributed today for the second time to widows over 60 years and 2,000 handicapped persons of Kairao constituency by Laurimbam Rameshwar, an aspiring candidate at Kiamgai Mamang Laikai, Imphal East. Maitai, Tangkhul, Chiru Kabui Muslim and Maring people took part in the function organized by Laurimbam Anganghal Memorial Trust. Laurimbam Rameshwar said former MLAs of Kairao have not given the people of Kairao their due and Kairao remains one of the underdeveloped constituency of Manipur. A booth-level Karyakarta Sammelan was held today at the residence of BJP aspiring candidate of Khurai El Susindro at Khurai Lamlong. BJP Northeast Coordinator Prasant Arora, BJP Khurai Mandal President NG Ranbir and several BJP Manipur Pradesh executive members attended the meeting. All Manipur Students Union AMSU in a press release said, as a part of Nupilal Memorial Observance, AMSU Imphal West District Committee and AMSU Imphal East District Committee will jointly organize a state-level open painting competition on DM College campus. The competition will be held in 2 categories, from class 2 to 5 and from class 6 to 9. The 6th Foundation Day of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization was celebrated today at Manipur Press Club. Speaking on the occasion, President of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization Abdullah Pathan said the economic blockade by the UNC should end. He said if the blockade does not end, UNC should be wary about the consequences. He also said it is unfortunate that the state government is unable to take its responsibilities and take actions against the UNC even when the people are facing a lot of hardships. Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy will present dance drama Karma Bharam on December 8. Sangeet Natak awardee and Amusana Devi has choreographed and directed the dance drama. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah will be the chief guest of the event. The 47 short play competition for creative directors kick-started today at Manipur Dramatic Hall, Yai School. The 5-day event is organized jointly by Theatre Centre Manipur and Manipur State Kala Academy under the aegis of Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi. Various theatre groups are taking part in the competition. A far cry by accent Repertory Theatre Kurai was shown on the first day. Upliftment Committee Andhro Changamdabi branch in a press release said they will seek legal assistance if Andhro MLA takes away the rights of sports persons. It also said the people were happy when the MLA started planting of grass on the playground of Changamdabi village at Sagallo a few months back. The committee said, however, work has stopped and the ground now is in pitiable condition. Now to sports news. Trau Kwakathal and Nisa Thamaiban beat their rivals in the 60th Sir Churachan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Football Tournament. In the 6th match of the tournament played at Imphal Polo Ground today, Trau Kwakathal thrashed YPO Sora 4-1, while in the 7th match, Nisa Thamaiban trounced Hishu Taubal 4-0. FC Zealand Sutter Hills will meet YUFC Ukrul, while Klasa Kaino will meet Mubanlai Athletics Club Sutter Hills in tomorrow's matches. The Northeast Zone Sport Climbing Committee NEZSCC has announced a contingent of 29 climbers and 1 coach and 1 manager for the 22nd National Sport Climbing Championship to be held from December 17 till 20, 2016 at Bangalore. The selected climbers, who are presently undergoing an intensive training conducted by Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association at Kangla Rock Wall Minuthong, will leave Imphal on December 12 for Bangalore. The National Sport Climbing Championship includes 3 events: speed, lead and bouldering. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah says Manipur is the right place for culture university. Chief Minister Ibobi asserts violence can achieve nothing. Cowards believe in violence. Christians leaders appeal to UNC to end indefinite economic blockade in the interests of the people. United Committee Manipur to hold public discussion on UNC's economic blockade on December 9. And BJP MLA Joy Kishan urges bureaucrats to discharge their duties religiously.